Got my little bluebird. Wow, he may have a few little nests. He's going from house to house. Checking him out. He's a busy little bluebird. Watching him. Just saw a little butterfly down here. Whoop, there he is, back again. Whoop. Keeping a watch. Mom is feeding and Dad is watching. Dad always keeps a watch out. I always think bluebirds represent good luck and happiness. I hope just people watching this derive good luck and happiness from it. I'm curious if he has other nests in the other birdhouse. I'll have to keep a watch on that. Butterflies are flitting about today too. I'm watching that. I have to put some water in the bird bath. Birds can't take a bath if there's no water, for sure. Oh well. There's always something to do. Here he is, back again. Oh, he's a really bright blue one. You always know the bright blue ones are the males, and the other ones are the females. She's bringing stuff in too, look. I think she's waiting for her hubby to come back. Oop, got tired of waiting. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little bluebird visit. Bye for now.